Well, we have to pay the
New
tax.
taxing after a major hurricane. What do you think about that?
But then will we get the new tax? Because everybody have to pay.
So then say them I got tax sugary drinks, alcohol and cigarette. You feel like that for our health or it's just a money making thing?
I don't know money making thing. Cause alcohol no good for you. Smoking no good for you neither. Mm.
So you feel like that a change nothing?
Not change. Can't change.
So the man say like all Netflix, all the people that will shop online and them thing there. All them thing there I got tax. You feel like Jamaica economy in a good condition for them new tax there?
I mean, I know about that part there. You know. Yeah, tell you nothing about that part there.
Alright. Based on the cost of living though in a Jamaica, you feel like now is the right time for the Prime Minister accept that big wage there?
Boy, I can't tell you, you know. Can't say that.
Yeah, answer that. So what you think about the whole new tax thing we are coming in general? Your honest opinion.
But well, we have to pay the tax. Still have to pay it.
Yeah.
Come here, you can't tap it.
Okay.
Simple as that.
So what you don't want to tell him about it?
I can't tell him nothing because no matter what you say to him, he now reduce it.
Yeah.
And no.
Alright, respect.